All right, so NewsELA is something we'll use a lot during the year. It's really great for current events. And when you get here, obviously you're supposed to read this article for this assignment, but sometimes I'll let you choose what you want to read about. If you go to the search feature, you can type in anything you want and search it, something you're interested in, and tons of articles come up. So if you're into TikTok, you can put that in there. If you're into basketball, you can put that in the search area. If you're into animals or farming, you can put that in the search area. So I want you guys to learn to read about things you're interested in the news. Let's go back to this article though for our assignment. So when you get into an article, you'll notice this max. That's the reading level. Okay, so that's the highest level. If you can read at that level, great. However, I would recommend most sixth graders starting somewhere in the 800s. So 890 is probably what I would change it to. However, if you start reading in 890 and you're noticing, you read 2 paragraphs and you've already found like 4 or 5 words you don't know, go down a level. Okay. If you're still finding words you're not sure of, go down a level. All right. But most people will be in here, but if you have to go down a level because you're getting into words you're not sure of, do it. Totally fine. Okay. But remember, sixth graders, try and be in this 800 level if you can. If you have to go down, that's okay. Another cool feature, you can have it read aloud to you. So you read along while the computer reads it aloud. You just click this button.
When it comes to downing hot dogs, science says there's a limit. By Science News for Students, adapted by NewsELA staff. Published August 19th, 2020. In the race to scarf down the most hot dogs
and you can pause it
in 10 minutes
and start it whenever you want. Okay. Now the last thing, and this is part of your assignment. As you're reading, you're supposed to highlight 3 things that surprised you. Okay. So 3 things that surprised you. The way you highlight is, and I hope 3 to 5 things. Sorry, I said 3 things, 3 to 5 things. Let's not have everybody highlight the same thing that I highlight, but reading this, I am surprised that a human can eat 83 hot dogs. So I'm going to highlight that. Then I'm going to go over here. You got 4 colors to choose from. I'm going to choose yellow. I hit save, and it saves it. Okay. If I want to highlight something else while I'm reading that surprised me, same thing. Okay. So as you're reading and you're highlighting the things that surprise you, things you didn't know, just make sure you hit save and it'll save your highlights.